رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and creator of the entire universe. Honorable teachers, respected guests, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I have been given an opportunity to express my views and my thoughts on the topic of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a teacher. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have been sent as a teacher. हो लाखों सलाम इस आका पर बुतला को जिसने तोड़ दिए, हो लाखों सलाम इस आका पर बुतला को जिसने तोड़ दिए, दुनिया को दिया पैगाम सुकू तूफानों के रुख मोड़ दिए. Teaching is an important, respected and regarding profession in every society and community. People from all walks of life find it professionally and personally a well-rewarding career. It is an exciting and challenging career, and Islam itself is a school and madrasas. And its Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the loving teacher and tutor, whose teaching and sayings still guide and inspire and instruct the whole humanity. As a teacher, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam not only taught us the principle of our faith, but guided us how to manner foundation the most complex questions of Islam and its related teachings to apply our daily lives. He was the passerby of this worldly, but his entire life is an example to humankind. In his life, in enlightenment and life after the death. Allah exalted the classifications of Ibrahim alayhi salam for the benefit of humankind. And it was perfected ascending by a messenger from themselves. This accepted supplication from Ibrahim alayhi salam confirms that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was sent a great teacher to humankind for all jinns and mankind. Allah said, our lords among them, a messengers from themselves who will recite them, your verses, and teach them, and the book and wisdom, and purify them. Indeed, you are exalted, the might and wise. And in another narration, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, may Allah be pleased with him. And I have never seen any teacher gentle than a messenger of Allah. That is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are countless verses in Holy Quran and numerous narration in the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that confirms the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the best and great teacher of humankind. His duty of a messenger to educate his followers and them in the best way. The companions of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam testified that this duty and manner that suit him. May Allah, peace and blessing be upon him. At last, I want to say that we should follow the teaching of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in every step of our life, inshallah. We will follow the teaching of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in future. Please raise your hands. Please raise your hands now. Thank you so much.